Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So recently I purchased a laptop and this is from a company called Dell, and basically I purchased this laptop for a small and medium business work. So this is Dell Vostro 15. It's a Vostro 5000 series laptop and the model number is 5501. So friends, without wasting too much of time, let's first do the unboxing. In the box, I have received a Dell laptop plus a power adapter and an instruction manual. The color of this laptop is grey. So this laptop is generally targeted for small and medium business work, and I believe this is one of the budget friendly laptop, especially for the medium business entrepreneurs. And the configuration, it comes in 15.6-inch full HD display. It has an Intel i7 processor. It's a 10th generation processor, and it has 8 GB of RAM and 512 gigabytes of SSD drive. It also has NVIDIA GeForce graphics card, and the operating system is Windows 10 Professional. So this laptop, at one side it has a power pin, an HDMI port, a USB port and a USB Type-C port. And if you turn around, on the other side you have an SD card slots, an headphone jack, a USB port and an Ethernet port. And another good feature of this laptop is it comes with a new opening system. So this is, I liked a lot. It is a very new kind of opening system which allows easily to open the screen, and it lands, and the screen's one part of the screen lands beneath the laptop. So this provides more stable and sturdy look. And also this laptop has an fingerprint option, so you can select the laptop to set this as a fingerprint detector. This laptop comes with a decent performance, and also I like the laptop, it's a build quality. So the top cover is made up of aluminum, which gives more strong and sturdy look. So as I said, I have recently purchased this laptop, so it will take me some while to do some hands-on work and understand the performance of the laptop. But in case if you need more information, you can log into Dell website and get all the details. So friends, that's all in today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.